Hello, welcome to Kap Industries. This is the Kia Stinger fire extinguisher install video from Kap Industries. The procedure to install is very easy. The tools required to install it is a 14mm socket and ratchet and two 8mm spanners. The bracket comes with the hardware required to install a fire extinguisher of your choice into the vehicle and onto the bracket. In the video today, I'm going to be installing this 1 kilogram fire extinguisher that we sell on our website at Kap Industries. This one is a twin latch one that we really like. You simply remove the two front seat bolts with your 14mm socket, place the extinguisher bracket inside the vehicle, attach the extinguisher cage to the bracket, and then bolt it all back in. Let's go do it. After removing those two front seat bolts, then get your bracket and your fire extinguisher cage and install the extinguisher cage onto the bracket. And with your 8mm spanners, tighten them all up. Then place the bracket inside the vehicle and put the bolts back in. Use your 14mm socket to reinstall the bolts. Then slip the extinguisher back into its cage. If you're a particularly short driver, I would recommend putting this one on the passenger side of the vehicle. And it will fit left-hand drive and right-hand drive of both sides of the vehicle. So no matter where it goes, you'll always find a place that you like. Thanks heaps for watching.